One of the biggest mistakes new traders make is trading a strategy that you have never tested before. Before I risk my own money, my capital, I always back test a strategy, and I always recommend people when you're getting into trading to learn your strategy, really master your strategy, and you know what your strategy looks like in a live market. Back testing your strategy, and this video is pretty much explaining how you guys can back test a strategy, learn how to back test, and I'm gonna talk about the backtesting website that I've been using for a couple months now, and another website that I've tried before that I personally also like. I the one that I use is free, so all of you guys that want to backtest your strategy, you're new into trading, you're learning new confluences, and you want to test them out. Um, I use FX Replay. I'm gonna be giving you a tour on how to use it. I'll walk you guys through it. Even backtest maybe a session or two. Explain how to set a stop loss, how to take profit, and just kind of go over the website for you guys. I know backtesting was something very important to me, which is something that helped me really master my strategy. I currently, for this past month of March, from February 16th to March 16th, I've had a 80% win rate backtesting, and the more you backtest, the more you master your strategy. So it's really, you don't lose anything from backtesting. If you're done trading or you didn't trade a day, you can go and backtest previous price action. You can backtest price action from yesterday, from a week ago, from a month ago, a year ago, even a decade ago. I personally don't recommend you backtesting price action from like 2016, or this, like, such an early time on, like older price action. Volatility, the more traders there are in the markets, the more volatility there will be. But it's always awesome to learn how to backtest any strategy. Any session, you guys can backtest Asia session, London session, New York pre-market, New York AM market, New York PM, whatever you want, whatever you personally trade. But yeah, let's hop into charts. I'll show you what it looks like when you're in the FX Replay, the website that I use. Let's see if I can pull up the markets for you guys. All right. There you go. Okay. So this is the dashboard. You guys are going to look up FX Replay, as you guys see up here, FX Replay. You can do battles here. You can battle, your friends. If you trade with a friend, or even if you trade by yourself, like, I know trading is very solo. You're doing it by yourself, but you can hop in a 1v1 here, a 1v. There's 40 people in this session, like a 1v39. And all of you guys are going to be seeing the same session. You guys are going to have a time to kind of guess what price is going to do, and the person with the most amount of money during that certain time wins. I personally don't really do this because you get very you take emotional trades when you're 1v1ing, but it's a good resource for you to get better, like, faster thinking, seeing your strategy plays out. So yeah, as you guys can see, last month from the 16th of February all the way to today, I've backtested all of these days. Some days I backtest for long hours, like this day, almost 8 hours backtesting. 2 hours today. Historical time replayed in this month, 6 months, 20 days, 8 hours. Time invested, 2 days, 1 hour and 43 minutes. My numbers are kind of low for this month. I'm trying to get my, backtest more, but I've also been uploading content for you guys. But yeah, my win rate 81% for this month. Trades taken 147. Both of the markets that I traded. Win rate for each day. I already started a session here, but pretty much what you can do is go here, backtesting. You choose a name for your session. Backtest YouTube video. You choose to balance whatever you want to start with. Let's say you want to do $50,000, which is what you would be risking, what you would have on a funded account, or even 2,000, so you don't let your account go down. Assets are gonna choose. If you have the paid version, I recommend you using ES or NQ. Right, I have the free version, so I'm just gonna use this S&P 500, this NASDAQ, and then you can select a random date, or you can pick whatever day you want. Let's say you want to do like 2022, whatever day you want. You can just choose. Yeah, another website that I've also heard of and I have used a couple times was TradeZilla. They're very good as well. But I'm not sure if they're free for backtesting. It's more of a journaling website, but you know, you can get this for free and it's awesome. Let's hop into a session where I can show you guys how everything works. I'll backtest a session with you guys, and you guys can see what it looks like when you're backtesting a price action. Alright, so I just picked a random session here so we can trade together. As you can see, NASDAQ, S&P 500. You can check news down here. So 9 a.m. Powell speech. Powell testifies. Let's see if we can trade this session. Random date, like I told you. A lot of speeches from Powell. Here you can check your closed positions, your pending orders, your open positions. And here's where you fast forward the session. So let's go to 9:30. Let me first get my, oh yeah, and then you can choose everything here. It's the same thing. You have to set it up just like TradingView for whatever you use. Let me show you guys the indicators I use here. It's the same thing as the one that I use on TradingView. So let's choose the sessions. There you go. Alright. Let's skip forward to 9:30 a.m. And the time is always here, New York. Eastern time, 9:30 a.m. Let's go and do whatever we would be doing if we were trading live. So pretty much backtesting is just, you know, as if you were trading market open every day, but you're doing it from any time you want, and it's just a replay of whatever price did for the date you choose. So for example here, it's Monday, March 22nd of 2021. So price action from about 5 years ago. Literally 5 years ago. Mark our session. We have Asia lows here. Have London low here. We have previous day lows right there. We have previous day highs up here. We have London high all the way up here. We also have this New York PM session high. So we got that all marked out just like we would be doing if we were trading live price action. Okay. are above that already. So okay, so we got this session to backtest. Okay. Alright, so everything is here. Mark out those highs. And we can mark out this low as well. It's an hourly low. Liquidity lies under highs and lows. Alright, so we can press play. Let's see if we can get into a trade. Turn this off. We are above this. We respect this. And it moves. If you have the paid version, you can do less than a minute, like 30 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds. I'm on the free version, so I can the lowest I could do is a minute. But yeah, let's see. Get a liquidity sweep down here. We don't. Here. Good sign for us to continue going higher. Boom. We are currently respecting this gap. Let's see if we can break structure here. 1 minute, we are above this. I want to take longs here. Stop loss probably here. Take longs targeting these two highs here. Okay, here down here you can place your order, or you can place it here. I feel like here on where it says order, it's a little more fancy than down here. And you can even journal your entries. I forgot to tell you that, but say we want to do 5 contracts, stop loss at this low. 10 contracts, and you're risking the same amount that you would be risking on live markets. Same everything, guys. Nothing different. You're risking the same amount. You're trading the same strategy. Alright, there you go. Oh, placed the wrong thing. That's why it doesn't work. Alright, so we placed the buy position. Stop loss right there. Take profit up here. And you can do partial take profits. Like if you click on the blue thing and you go add partial, click save, you can drag that down. So I'm closing half of my order, half of my position down there, full position up there at take profit. Take profit one was hit. We go to break even. We are currently at break even now. Hoping we can hit this 1 to 2 trade. And you can fast forward. So I just got hit with break even here after TP1 was already hit. So we got that high taken. Took out this high as well here. And we have not taken out the other high. But you can see, I can speed this forward a little bit. Boom, price hit both of them. Price is very close to hitting this as well. Very unlucky. I got, TP1 was hit, and then I got stopped out at break even. I could have entered down here, but that's how you get better at your strategy and backtesting previous price action. Price just ran up, continued up, and this is a little preview on how you guys can backtest, and how market always moves the same. Your strategy is gonna work, and you can full on master your strategy with backtesting. So if you guys like the video, leave a comment, a like. And yeah, just let me know what else you guys want to learn. I can definitely post a video on that. And yeah, please make sure you guys backtest your strategies and get better. Not just get better, but get more experience within the markets.